Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm in one of my favourite spots. I've moved over from Cheshire into Staffordshire and I'm at the Dorothy Clive Garden. I love it here. Sadly, I didn't make it this year when the rhododendrons and azaleas were in full bloom. But now it's just so peaceful. Yes, I can hear people working away, but the rest of the sound is water flowing and birds singing. Relaxing. So let me take you with me. We'll wend our way down to the waterfall. Woodpecker. Somebody very skilled has carved that in the trunk of this dead tree. There are just a few azaleas hanging on, but the ferns are so green. And my feet are adding to the background noises. I'm aware I'm very wobbly. I do apologise. The path isn't very even. And here we have the waterfall. The water's pumped up to the top. And we have this beautiful cascade. To me, gardens are a combination of Mother Nature and people. I was going to say man. I still think man as in mankind, but I guess that's not politically correct. But we work hard to get nature to conform in our more formal gardens. But you know, I prefer it when it's honours evens in a garden like this. Yes, we've got the gorgeous plantings. We've got the water feature. But Mother Nature pops through. And I guess this is why my garden can never be described as a formal garden. I say it's a country garden, which is my excuse for it being a bit haphazard, with weeds appearing far too regularly. But to me, that makes me happy. I'm back to the water, trying really hard not to fall in. Oh, it would be a laugh. Not for me. So just do some deep breathing. And relax. See the sunshine glinting on the water. Just let that waterfall wash any worries, any concerns away. Just let them go. and relax. Go with the flow of the water. Go with the flow of your day. Don't forget to build in some you time. Thank you for joining me. Take the best care of yourself that you can. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.